a significant development, the Supreme Court has upheld the constitutional validity of the Waqf Amendment Act 2025, but has stayed the implementation of several key provisions pending further review. Delivering its interim order, the bench led by Chief Justice B.R. Gavai noted that the presumption is always in favor of a statute's constitutionality, and any stay can be granted only in rare circumstances. While the entire act had been challenged, the court found no prima facie case to block the entire law. However, it granted a stay on specific provisions that raised serious legal concerns. First, Section 3R, which requires a person to be practicing Muslim for at least 5 years to create a waqf, has been stayed. The court observed that without clear rules, this could lead to arbitrary use of power, and therefore it will remain suspended until state governments frame guidelines. Second, the provision is Section 2C, which says certain properties shall not be treated as waqf, has also been put on hold. Third, Section 3C, allowing a government-designated officer or collector to determine whether waqf property has encroached upon government land, has also been stayed. The court ruled this violates the principle of a separation of powers, and until a final verdict, no waqf shall be dispossessed of its land based on such inquiries. Fourth, the provision capping non-Muslim members in waqf boards to 4 at the centre and 3 at the state level has also been stayed pending further examination. And finally, Section 23, which mandates that ex officio officers must be Muslim, remains under scrutiny. The matter will continue to be heard, but for now, these 5 provisions of the Waqf Amendment Act will not be enforced.
जहां ये याचिकाएं दाखिल की गई थी बड़ी संख्या में कि इस जो वक्फ अमेंडमेंट एक्ट है इसको स्टे कर दिया जाए, आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उस अमेंडमेंट एक्ट जो है उसको जिसको एक लेजिस्लेचर्स के द्वारा उस विधायिका के द्वारा लोकसभा और राज्यसभा में 14 घंटे डिस्कशंस के बाद और ज्वाइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी में 6 महीने इस पे काफी डिटेल डिस्कशन सभी दल के सांसदों के साथ और देश के स्टेक होल्डर्स के साथ हुआ था। तो इससे साफ है कि जो कानून पारित हुआ वो कानून वैध है। अब उसके कुछ प्रोविजंस पे जो स्टे किया है उस पे निश्चित तौर से सरकार उस पे विचार करेगी, जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले उसके आलेख में उस पे कार्रवाई करेगी।
The Supreme Court has first found that there is a prima facie case for stay on certain provisions. They have not stayed all the provisions, the complete act, but certain provisions have been stayed, like the provision that said that you have to be a Muslim for 5 years have been stayed because there is no mechanism to determine whether the same can happen or not, to determine whether someone has been a Muslim for 5 years or not. Apart from that, the provision 23C, the court has said that until unless there is a mechanism devised, no third-party interest can be created. Nothing can be, the people cannot be dispossessed of their waqf properties. As far as non-Muslim members are concerned, the court has said that in the waqf board it cannot be more than 3 and not more than 4 in the section 9. And on the registration, the court has apparently extended the time limit but has not stayed the provision. So on that, it has been said that the executive cannot take the role of the judiciary and have in a way state the provision until a proper mechanism is devised, and that is why I said no one can be dispossessed of their waqf property in this matter. The 3 in not more than 3 in the waqf board can be non-Muslim members. I am very positive. We'll have to read it. It is a lengthy order, the chief has informed us, and we'll read it, but it looks like a balanced order. This can be termed as a victory for us.
The Honorable Supreme Court has made a very categorical interim order today. Number 1, there is no stay on the amendments brought in by the central government headed by Manniya Narendra Modi ji. So there is no stay on the amendments. only there is a interim order in favor of the petitioners regarding that they cannot be deprived of the work property without following the procedure laid down in the law, including the amended law. Third, that if any work has to be taken by the government or the possession has to be taken back, that the procedure laid down in the Waqf Act, including the amendment of the Waqf, that procedure has to be followed by the tribunal as well as by the Honorable High Court. So after judgment of the tribunal only, that order can be given effect to. So that is the very clear order today by the Honorable Supreme Court. And very important order that those works are now has to be registered. Meaning thereby those works which are not registered, they will not be treated as work property.
So basically, the Supreme Court commented that instead of challenging the whole act, there are the 3-4 provisions which are being stayed, though they are being extremely important, and to somehow it is a bit of disappointment. But anyway, these are not the final orders. The Honorable Apex Court, they have stayed the main provisions to our 3C.
The Honorable Supreme Court has given interim order related to the Waqf Amendment Act 2025. However, our demand was that the entire act, there must be a stay on the entire act, but the court has not given such order. However, the court has stayed many provisions, and we welcome the stay on certain provisions, such as that a person who want to make a waqf should be 5 years practicing Muslim, and that the court has also cleared that the CEO must be from the Muslim community, and the overriding powers given to the district collector for deciding whether a property is a waqf or not has also been stayed. The stay on section 3 and 4 is a very welcome step, and we expect that whenever the final decision will come, we will be given 100% relief.
Now, Congress MP Imran Pratapgarhi spoke exclusively to News 9. Let's have a look at that interaction.
Member of Parliament Imran Pratapgarhi sir, कैसे देखते हैं सर आज इंटरिम ऑर्डर आया है सुप्रीम कोर्ट से?
अच्छा फैसला है और बड़ी राहत है, बड़ी राहत, मैं कहूँगा कि बड़ी राहत है। अंतिम नहीं लेकिन अंतरिम अच्छा फैसला है। कुछ पॉइंट जिनको लेकर के बहुत शंका थी लोगों के मन में, उस पर माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय ने रोक लगा दी। प्रैक्टिसिंग मुस्लिम वाला जो पूरा फ्रेम सरकार लेकर के आई थी, जिसके जरिए जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा विवाद पैदा करती वक्फ की ज़मीनों को लेकर के और भविष्य में होने वाले वक्फ को लेकर के, उस पर माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय ने रोक लगा दी। ये एक बहुत बड़ी जीत है। कलेक्टर राज को जो है वो रोक दिया सरकार ने, तो ये भी बहुत बड़ी जीत है।
सर कैसे देखते हैं जो कि मेन 5 पॉइंट्स थे जिनके ऊपर ऑपोजिशन लगातार क्वेश्चन कर रही थी, उन्हीं 5 पॉइंट्स के ऊपर स्टे लगा दिया, लेकिन पूरा वक्फ जो एक्ट है ओवरऑल स्टे नहीं लगाया।
आज तो फैसला उस पर था ही नहीं। आज तो ये था कि जो स्टे है वो अंतरिम रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा, उस पर रोक आगे रहेगी या नहीं रहेगी। तो आज के फैसले को पूरे कानून पर रोक लगाने वाले फैसले के फैसले के तौर पे ना देखा जाए। आज तो बस जो पॉइंट जिन पे स्टे था वो कंटिन्यू हो रहा है या नहीं, तो टेक्निकली मैं ये कहूँगा कि अंतिम फैसला नहीं है, ये अंतरिम है लेकिन राहत वाला है।